It's almost 8:30 at night. I feel like I have to sneeze, so sorry if I have to sneeze somewhere in this video. The blizzard for my state is now here. It's been here since, I would say this morning, but it's not really a blizzard. The only whiteout condition we get is when the wind picks up, so I guess that's part of the blizzard. I just basically stayed in pajamas all day today and I put on my hunting hoodie basically. Laundry on my bed that I need to fold, and then I need to start figuring out what I want to wear for the weekend so I can get what I need packed, or at least figure out tomorrow will be packed. Wow, I feel like I really gotta sneeze. So for now, I'm just gonna get some things ready. Fold clothes, put laundry away, and all that fun stuff. So yeah. Okay, my nose burning feeling has gone away. Thank goodness. So I did have to go outside a few times today to let Drake out. I do have my sleeve on that helps protect my elbow from the cold. I just need to get one for my forearm now because my sleeve only covers half the plate. Wow, my nose burning feeling is back. Wow, yay. So sorry if I sound like absolute trash. I promise I'm not sick. It's just my nose wants to be stuffed up today, I guess. So I'm gonna get my phone set up on the tripod, and I'm gonna fold laundry. But that way, I don't know if I want to sleep with my sleeve on or not. I think I'm gonna sleep with my sleeve off tonight because the upper part of my sleeve, ow, is actually like really tight around my arm. There it is. Hello. Oh. There's my sneeze. I think during my time lapse, I'm going to actually go blow my nose. Go and blow my nose. So that way it's not that very stuffy when I sleep tonight. And I'm actually going to get my tree lights on. My eyes about to start twitching because I feel like I sneeze again. So yeah. I'm going to get YouTube going on my TV. Sorry for today's video being very short. I really didn't do much today. I kind of napped for a bit today because of the weather. Blizzard being outside, there really isn't much for me to do. My mom doesn't want me to drive right now because of how bad the weather is. And my boyfriend didn't come get me today because we both just decided that I'm not going to have him rush to bring me home and for him to go to a different county for work. That's like out of my way. That's like close to where I live. So we decided that, but I told him that I'll text him tomorrow if I go to my adoptive mom's house, spend the night there. Because I think that's still planned, but I told him that I would text him if and when we do go there. So that way he knows. And so that way I can ask my adoptive mom what time she wants my boyfriend to come over tomorrow to open gifts, because he also has to open gifts with his family on Christmas Day. So, but today's the 23rd, so day 23 of Vlogmas. That's very crazy. Only 2 more left, so tomorrow and Sundays. It's kind of sad, but I'm excited. So, but I'm gonna get the time lapse set up and all that, so that way I could go blow my nose first and start folding laundry. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It's just I mostly stayed inside all day today. The only time I went outside, like I said, was to let Drake out, and I felt like a human popsicle because of it. But I hope you guys enjoyed the time lapse of me just getting everything I need to get ready. Get ready. Pause this video real quick. I actually put on a video of someone like deep cleaning their room and all that. That helps me motivate with getting my room stuff done quicker, I guess. I don't know, but it helps. I also don't mind the mess. Like I said, I was home all day today. Did not feel like brushing out this hair, but I'm probably going to before I take my shower tonight. Okay, so on my bed I have laid out what I'm thinking about wearing on Christmas Day. So pants first. Yes, I roll all my jeans and all that, so it's easier to get in my closet and I have more space. I'm gonna wear my wallflower boot cuts. I'm just gonna fold these normal to get into my overnight bag. And for my overnight bag, I'm actually going to use my CTC automotive duffel bag that I got last year because I had to replenish the other one because Drake kept peeing on the other one I got my junior year. So I had to get a new one. So that one was from last year's class. So I'm actually gonna, I'm still airing it out right now, but I'm also gonna pack it so that way I don't have to worry about packing it tomorrow. Basically like my hairbrush, my deodorant and all that, that's gonna be packed last. So my charger, my watch charger and all that. Yeah, I'm not wearing my watch right now because that's in the charger. So I'm actually gonna get my jeans packed up and put in. Socks that I'm gonna be wearing. I'm actually wearing my hunting socks that my boyfriend got me because I feel like I'm gonna be very cold Sunday. Tomorrow not so much because we're moving around a lot, so my body's gonna be generating heat. But I'm gonna be wearing my hunting socks on Sunday. So I'm gonna put that in here. Underwear, of course. Let me show that. I'm gonna wear this black sky strap tank top because I'm wearing I usually wear flannels on Christmas. Don't know why. Been doing it for a while. Remember when I started doing it? It feels comfortable with me wearing flannels on Christmas. So I'm just gonna wear this black tank top. So I'm gonna get this folded and put away. And then for my flannel, I'm gonna wear, can't remember, I bought this one or if my mom bought me this one. I'm wearing like this cute green, tealish blue flannel, and it does have pockets. I keep forgetting this flannel has pockets and I get excited every single time. And if you're a girl and if you understand what I mean by get excited by having pockets in flannels, you'll know why. Or if it's like pockets in a dress, you'll know why. Because us girls, we really don't have pockets in many things. And like our jeans, yes, we have pockets, but they're not that very deep. And I don't feel like buying men jeans just so I have deep pockets. So, but I'm gonna wear my flannel. If I can find the sleeve. There we go. I'm gonna fold this. Pajamas. I think I'm just gonna wear the ones I'm wearing tonight because technically I do gotta shower tonight. So these flannels, not these flannels, but these pajamas are actually dirty. So whatever PJs I put on tomorrow, well tonight, that's when we'll be wearing tomorrow night. So yeah. And then hats. I do not know yet because it's gonna be cold tomorrow, so I'm probably not gonna wear my camo one. I'm either gonna wear my maroon beanie or the hat that I've been wearing the past few videos that my boyfriend got me. That's not where that goes. Come on. There we go. But yeah. That's kind of all I got for the video today. I don't know how much I'm going to be recording tomorrow. I think I'm going to be recording here and there, but other than that, I don't know how much I'm going to be recording. I think I might bring my earbuds with me. I don't know yet. So, yeah. So I'm actually gonna take this off because very soon I'm actually gonna go take my shower. So I'm gonna take this off and set it down so I can take my shower. Wow, it's almost 9 o'clock. So, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Sorry for it being so short. Like I said, there wasn't really much to record today because the blizzard being outside. Like I said, like the only reason why it's like mostly a blizzard for whiteout conditions is because the wind, it's very strong half the time. So I'm actually taking my necklace off because I don't really wash with it on, because the string is not like material you want to wash with having it on to be washing with. But I have a little area that I put it. So, but I'm gonna edit this video, get posted, go take my shower, and just relax for the rest of the night. Don't know if I'm gonna talk to my boyfriend on the phone or not. I'm actually gonna brush my hair right now while I'm videoing, because I'm also gonna clean out my hairbrush. So yeah. Oh, yep, that's a little ouch. So, but I don't know if my boyfriend's gonna call me tonight before he leaves the shop. Today I just basically told him, like, please text me when you get to work, so that way you know you get to work safely. I told him yesterday to be careful on the roads, both last night and today. So just, it makes me happy that he does let me know when he's at work or when he got home. So, because I do care about his safety and he does care about mine. So, which works out well. So yeah. But hair is basically all brushed out. I am planning on probably having my mom help me trim the dead ends off sometime soon. Because there's no point in me making a hair appointment to go and do it. So yeah. Hope you guys, like I said, hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas, day 23. Only 2 more days left, which is crazy. I have a dry scalp and it sucks. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow for day 24. Between day 24 and day 25, I do not know how much I'm going to record. If anything, I'll just probably combine both and maybe just post it on the 26th. I don't know yet. Or if any, I don't know. I might record a little bit tomorrow. I don't know yet. It's still in the planning phase right now. But happy Vlogmas, happy holidays. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you want to be notified next time I upload. Other than that, stay safe if you live in the US because of this blizzard that's going on. If it just passed your state already, please still stay safe, stay warm during this holiday season. If it's hitting your state right now, again, stay safe, stay warm. If you're traveling, be careful on the roads. If anything, have your hazards on. Best you can do is just have your hazards on, just to be safe on the road. Other than that, happy holidays, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 24. Peace.